In talking with my colleagues, they say that the math flip charts that I've made on Promethean board with Active Inspire have been the most useful. So today I'm going to demonstrate how I did that. So this is on the Envision's website that we get to through our school website, and there's no way to download these newsprints. So what I've done is I go to the website and take a screenshot of them, which is Command-Shift-4, line this target up with the worksheet. This is the first page, the guided and independent practice that students work on together. So I took a screenshot of that. And the back page with word problems that we frequently work on together. So I take all of these and take screenshots, and that will be put into my flip chart. I have to close out of this page because this is within the student edition, and the worksheets that we work on are included in the teacher edition. Come to printable resources and down into topic 10. And this is lesson 5. So some of the worksheets that we have included are a daily Common Core review. So I have to open that up, and as soon as it does, I will download this into my desktop. So I'm saving it as a PDF because that's how things get brought into Active Inspire. And it does seem to be going very slowly today. So now once I've finished downloading all the rest, that will be waiting for me. So I have the Common Core Review. I will also be downloading the Reteaching Master, Practice, and then come down here for the quick checks, which we often do as morning work. So I have finished downloading all of my worksheets as well as my screenshots. So I open up Active Inspire, and this page will be the mini lesson chart once I finish getting everything together. So I bring over the first screenshot of the front page of the newsprint, and I can either drag this in order to make it bigger or also use these tools. I usually just drag it. It's quicker and it's easier to put it into the right spot. On the next page is the two-sided one. And then we have the word problems. So all of these are set and the right size. So now I come up here and import my first worksheet. Import a PDF. Unfortunately, it only allows you to do one at a time. And everything is right on my desktop. The first one we do is the Common Core Review, the end of my current flip chart. And then I continue to do the same thing with all the rest of the worksheet. I finished uploading all of the worksheets for PDFs that we will be working on. They're right within here, and if you accidentally put them up in the wrong order, all you have to do is drag a page into a different order and it's ready for however you would like to teach it. So I need to come back to my blank sheet so that I can work on my mini lesson chart. So this lesson is talking about regrouping. So when you add two numbers up, so I'll continue to work on this on the text and then show you how I get together my manipulatives. I have the text done for my mini lesson chart, and down at the bottom I also have the goal typed up, which is based on the Common Core. So now I have to show how I will be using my manipulatives. So here I have a screenshot of the place value mat that the students will be using. Make sure that's the right size. And then I also need the place value tools. Here is what we call a rod. So I'm going to use Command C to copy one that I can then come in and paste it with Command V. I need a few of those. And then I go back, and this time I'm going to highlight all of my ones, group them together with this tool, Command C to copy them, paste. They're still grouped together, so now I just have to ungroup them and they're all ready to be used. And then down here I can make the equation so that after we practice regrouping, we can write an equation and practice writing what it will equal, knowing that we have regrouped. And then what I need to do is turn back to the arrow, and I'm going to group all of this together. Copy that, go to the next page, and then one more. I'm going to slide this over a little bit. And now I have my tools that I need to ungroup before moving, so that I don't have to move anything around in order to practice adding in the worksheet. So now I don't have to also flip pages. So I'm going to make this smaller. And then my ones, I need to make a little bit smaller and make some copies. I will need to get rid of these place value tools that are too big now. So I'll group them so that they all go away at once. And now I'm ready to start my lesson on regrouping. I hope this has been helpful to help you come up with ideas for how Active Inspire will be helpful to teach any lessons that you need to do.